Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on day. As me see everybody are run like chicken with their head cut off, you know, for back to school. Monday I buy up them little things for them picnic car, key, book, every little thing, man. He took me down a memory lane, you know. Yes, man, he take me down a memory lane. I remember back in the day, you know, when we used to ready for back to school, my mother would have go buy book them for school, and sometimes the book list would have be so long, you know, long from ya, so go way over, so a galang. Yes, and my mother would have go out with the book list, and as she buy one book, she check it off. But you know one thing I remember, we used to have to wrap with book, you know. Yes, me say we have to wrap with book with brown paper. Some people all used to use newspaper because that make it book last longer and it keep it in a good shape. And today, you know, as me day I go through, me find some of me book them, specifically one book when me used to love read. Me realize that the book still wrap with the brown paper, and this are from what pickle fill up this a book here, you wrap, you know. And make I tell you something, me take off the brown paper half I book today, and it just brought back memories, me I tell you. Yes, man. See there? This is one of the book that Mama Selva used to read. Yes. Vice in the Wind by Jean DaCosta. Oh, I tell you, I used to love to read this book. And you know, as me I go through my book, then me come across another one, Moon and a Rainbow Shawl by Errol John. And then me come across me Biting, compiled by Cecil Grayman. In this book here is a collection of poems. See it here? You can see, say, me never wrap this one here. Hey, lucky thing my mother never say. You see the condition where this one here in. But make I tell you something. Them your memories, you know. Drop a line below, man, and tell me what memories you have of back to school in the day. You remember wrapping book? What do you remember doing? Come on, man, tell Mama Selva. As always, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, any which part of the world on the day.